But anyway, that helps you kind of hold the camera this way. I also have the JJC thumb grip on the back there, and I really like that because that, you know, boom, like that, and keeps your hands off, Ken's hands on the back there. What's that?
He told me to photo bomb you, but I couldn't see
You just
it.
did.
Did I?
There we go. Awesome. Hey, hold up. It's a YouTube video now. That's going to be in there. So,
Okay.
send me. What's your name? Andrika. Send me an email. I'll send you the link.
All right.
Awesome. All right, on. So there we go. We're just having fun downtown Indianapolis. That's the way they are in downtown Indianapolis. Okay, 20, 30, 40, 50, there's an hour. We'll go ahead and give her an hour and 10 minutes. Okay. Hour and 10 minutes. Set our alarm for an hour at 7, so we will go 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock p.m. because then the gunfire starts and we want to get out of here by then. So, all right, guys, so here we are. Man, this has been a while since I've been out, so hopefully we'll get everything rolling right here. Sorry, okay, you can see here we got the GR III. Today, since the sun is not here, we're going to go with 1/400th of a second, f9. Snap focus 1.5. That'll give us plenty of depth of field, maybe down to f9. All right, and we are on. We need to go on auto ISO. The max of 3200, highlight weighted. All right, so let's see what we come up with here, guys. And of course, I hold it like this with the GA1 coupler. Makes it very nice. 49mm UV filter on the front, and okay, so now we can see what we can come up with here. Get people on scooters and whatnot. Not sure how much light we got here. Let's see. Okay. All right. Didn't expect this many people on a Monday night downtown, so this is very cool. What's going on here?
FOB, NASCAR convention, they got a concert.
Oh, okay. Are you able to walk around and stuff then? Or?
You can, on the outskirts you can, otherwise you got to have a ticket to get in this.
Oh, I got you.
You can't go around the outskirts.
Awesome. I didn't think there'd be anybody down here tonight. Cool.
Who told you motorcycles are coming down here? I don't know. In the entranceway, they got those, old-fashioned.
Let's see what we got here. Make sure. Okay, we're going to max our ISO at 6400. We'll get these people coming back this way. That's kind of neat. Let's move some shots over here. Let's see, guy riding on a bike. Lady up here. Boom. Oh, that's neat. How you doing? I'm fine.
Give me an email.
Let's look at the horse.
I will.
See how close we can get here and keep this in a good photo. People on scooters and stuff, cool. All right, here we go, guy on a bike. All right. Lady right here. Lots of people downtown. This is very cool. Didn't expect all these people downtown on a Monday evening. I was hoping for sun, but I don't know if you can see where the sun is behind the clouds. So, oh, cool. Awesome. There we go. Hey, ladies, can I take your picture?
Yeah.
I did here. I got a card. If you want to send me an email, I'll send you a free copy of it. But I just walk around and do street photography, so you guys got a cool look going there. Let's get you right here. Okay, hang on just a second. I'm kind of trying out this camera, so let me. Okay, here we go. Ready? Awesome. Thanks so much. Just send me an email and I'll send you a copy. Thanks. Sure, I want to keep it on 400. I guess it's doing okay. Yeah, I guess it's doing okay. We'll keep her on 400. Got some light underneath here, underneath this thing, which is really cool. Tried to get the lady walking underneath the little spotlight there. Okay, I'm going to go across the street because we've got some dudes coming. I don't want to get them. Oh, here comes the guy. Don't want to get hit either, so. All right, so I'm going to switch over to this way, get these guys against the building. We want to push them to the left if you can.
Then it's settled it, so people get insurance.
Let's check, see how good my targeting was. Okay, you always want to make sure that you don't point up, because you want to point up by instinct, like up to their face. Damn, scooter people, that would have been cool. You want to point up to their face, but when you do that, the wide angle gets more up top than it does down bottom. So I always try to keep it level, which is hard to do when you're walking by. You want to point up at their face, but okay, here comes a girl on a bike, and this will be cool. Let's see if we can get some contrast stuff going here. Okay, hopefully she was looking at me, and hopefully we can get something out of that one. I like it when they're looking at me. Some people say that's not street photography, but of course I don't pay attention to those people because I don't know who they are. You know, I don't really care what was written in some book somewhere. This is what I'm doing, and I think it's cool when they engage and look at the camera. They look away, it's almost like it's not a challenge if you sneak it. I like them to see that I did it. All right, let's see, where are these people going? Okay. I'm going to go back this way because there's some people coming back this way. That's very cool. Okay, there's a bunch of people coming down the road this way, so I'm going to go back down the road this way. And then I'll get all these people over to the right, or to the left. So again, I'm going to turn my camera like this. That's cool, that oyster bar. This is cool. Especially with like a reflection. I don't know if any of those came out. If I can get these like cocktail bar thing here. Here we are right here. This is what we're dealing with. But I want to get these guys walking in the reflection here. So,
One thing good about this city is you can walk anywhere.
okay. Awesome. Cool place. Let's see here. Got some more people walking up this way, so here we go. That's kind of cool. Just acting like I'm shooting. Alright.
Yeah. Very excited about that.
Got a scooter. That wasn't very good. Get these people here. I'm trying to get reflections though. So I got a bunch of people walking here. I'm gonna try to get some reflections going here. I don't know if I can. Let's see, I gotta time it right. Okay, now I'm gonna turn around and get these people coming this way. Alright, excellent. Getting back in my groove, I believe. Okay guys, so please make sure and like it, subscribe for more of these videos. Not only the Ricoh GR III, we've got Fuji videos, Pentax videos, Phil videos coming up, but the Ricoh GR III is our feature on Wednesdays, so take that to the bank. Not every, I can't guarantee every Wednesday, but Wednesday is Ricoh GR III and I'm not slowing down on it or stopping. Personal things happen, life gets in the way sometimes, but I'm not tiring of the camera, so we'll keep these going. All right guys, do appreciate it. Check out the video, leave a comment below, and all the stuff, all the equipment I'm using, including the GoPro 7 Black, is listed in the description below. That does help the channel if you click those links and purchase from there. All right guys, we'll see you on the next one.